Extract definitions is compliance software for a specific operational decision, identifies and extracts defined terms and their meanings from legal text. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. The problem is that compliance teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. Extract definitions narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Extract definitions starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include legal contract text, definition keywords, minimum confidence threshold, minimum term length, and include quoted terms. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies extract defined terms and their definitions from legal text by identifying definition patterns, validating term format and length, and calculating confidence scores based on pattern strength, term format, and definition completeness. Count the total number of validated definitions extracted that meet or exceed the confidence threshold. Calculate the average confidence score across all extracted definitions that meet or exceed the confidence threshold, and identify cross-references between definitions by checking if definition texts contain other validated defined terms. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how compliance teams actually make decisions. Extract definitions returns structured outputs such as total definitions found, average confidence, extraction confidence, extracted definitions, and cross-references. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of extract definitions is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated compliance work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.